Welcome to Komacut. We offer on-demand sheet metal fabrication for 1 to 100,000 units per order. With Komacut, you can request a quote. That means you can review your quote, place an order, or re-quote at any time. Firstly, go to the left-hand nav, and you'll find all of your quotes there, displayed in list or card mode. You'll be able to see all details of the quote and can even expand the part row to double-check all the details. When you're happy that everything's correct, you can click Save to My Parts. All quotes are active for 30 days, so there's plenty of time to check through your parts details. At the quote level, you can do 3 things. View the details of each quote, email the quote, or convert the quote into an order. Then the quote is ready to be an order and is on its way to our manufacturers.